And a few years ago, Aidan and I spent some of the best winters of our lives touring with the late Johnny Cunningham. So it's very hard for us to play together without knowing that Johnny's around. So it's always it's a good feeling. It is. And this is one of the songs we used to do with him, because we used to do a kind of Celtic anti-Christmas tour. Because there were a lot of like Celtic Christmas tours going around, and we had one that was about what the Celts really got up to in the winter. And if you know John, if you knew Johnny, you know how irreverent that might have been. So he talked about some of what the Scots got up to, and Aidan and I talked about what some of the Irish got up to. And this song is from Donegal. It's about a man, it's an Irish, so I'll tell you a little bit about it, and the Irish speakers will get the rest of it. And he's going along the road and he sees Nancy on the side of the road. And winter is coming on, and he knows that if he gets Nancy, he'll get her dowry of a lot of sheep. And this guy lives on the side of a mountain on his own. He's very interested in sheep. And he also makes socks for a living. And that's basically, you can imagine what the rest of the song is about. And another interesting thing about the song is it comes from a woman called Roshana Howron, Rose Green, Rose of the Songs, from Arranmore Island in Donegal. And one day there was a man smoking a cigarette outside an old cottage in Donegal, and there was an old gallon drum, like an oil drum, full of water beside him, and he put the fag out in the water, and he saw down at the bottom of the oil drum something. And he tipped over, and the water all poured out, and there was an acetate, a record album. They had just made one, and it was of this woman, Rose Green, and there was a snippet of this song on it, just one verse. So I got it from a CD that was made from that. And at the end, they had printed in the liner notes another verse. So now we have two verses. So this is how we have Jim's song. Song for Jim. That's right. Always be Michelle, I don't love smart darting stucky, you never love. Can't be hard finger, inside all the fancy old me alone. Come she down, I can see I can see